Hello, welcome to the Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp. How much does Google know about your website? You know, when someone searches on Google or any search engine, that search engine has to do some pretty quick thinking. It has to decide in an instant which of the many websites it has in its index it should show to the person who's carrying out the search. So if that search is about something that your business supplies or a service that you provide, will it be your website that is shown or will it be one of your competitors? Yes, how can you make sure that your business website details are shown and not those of a competitor? Let's look at a few examples and get some answers. We're going to use Google as our example search engine, since that's the one that most people will use when they're looking for your product or your service online. But it's worth bearing in mind that others, such as Bing, Yahoo, they all work in a very similar way. Before we do anything else, the first thing we need to do is find out just how much Google already knows about your business. And there happens to be a very easy way to do that. Here it is. In the browser bar, at the top of your browser, that's the place where you would type in a website address. Type in the following: site, that's S-I-T-E, followed by a colon, and then whatever your website address is, or whatever website you want to check up on, type that in and then press return, just like the example you see. So, if your website was, as indeed ours is, www.thedigitalmarketingdirectory.com, you would type just like you see on the screen. So once that's done and you've pressed return, let's see what that actually does. As you can see, Google shows us every page of information that it has in its index for that website. In this particular case, we can see that it has 513 pages indexed. You can see if you follow the first red arrow in the screenshot, that's pointing to the 513 pages that Google has indexed. Now the second red arrow points to a message from Google to tell you that if this is your website, you can use Google's free Search Console system to find out much more about your site. So we can see in this example, Google is well aware of the website in question, and it has over 500 pages in its index about this website. If, on the other hand, there were no pages listed, that would mean that Google has not yet visited the site and crawled the pages in order to find out what that website and what those pages are all about. Now here's a tip: don't rely on search engines to find your website on their own. They might, but there's a good chance that they might not. You can request that they index your site for free by using the Google Search Console, and there's an equivalent tool in Bing and Yahoo. And if you haven't got Google Search Console set up yet, then you really should. It's free, so do it now. Here's the link so you can get yourself signed up for Google Search Console right away.